Jiaoda Shenzhou SSZ5180TXCBEV Pure Electric Vacuum Sweeper. Combine the rear-mounted vacuum cleaner and the vacuum cleaner into one. Adopt SAIC Pure Electric Chassis. Maintenance-free fan. High-pressure water pump. Rear suction cup with high-pressure side spray feeling. The principle of pure suction through negative pressure. One-way air intake. No blowback airflow. Dust cannot enter directly in vacuum cleaning mode. No dust. Achieve PM25 emissions. In purge mode. Suitable for urban roads. Viaduct, square, airport, wharf, factory and other cement. Mechanized cleaning of concrete and asphalt pavements. Advanced and efficient. Clean in place. Adopt unique locking technology. Make the rear door of the garbage can better seal. The garbage cans and clean water tanks are made of 304 stainless steel. The total volume of the garbage bin is 5 cubic meters. The total volume of the water tank is 45 cubic meters. Achieve efficient volume ratio of clean water and sewage during operation. Safe and swift. Environmental protection and energy saving. Adopt one-click operation intelligent electronic control system. Operation is simple and convenient. Reduced operating intensity. Avoid human misoperation. High-tech cleaning system suction cup width is almost equal to the width of the car. The working efficiency is greatly improved. Achieve the best vacuum cleaning effect. Built-in rolling brush for suction cup. It can also clean up garbage and gaps on the road surface.